Hello guys, I'm here with a first video. I'm here today to show y'all that I'm gonna be spinning my fidget spinner today. And I was wanting to tell y'all that I want y'all to see how I do good on my fidget spinner today. So if y'all tell me that y'all like my fidget spinner, make sure y'all leave a comment below or any likes. If you like this video, please like my video. Give me a lot of likes if y'all can. Like them up now. I'm about to spin my fidget spinner now so y'all can see it. This can do many things. So y'all watch it and y'all can rewatch it. It's easy, simple. But I done lots of videos on my other account. I done a whole lot, so y'all can, it's for all there for y'all to watch. So share this video, hit like, and leave a comment below. Alright, now I can show y'all how I spin my fidget spinner. So first thing y'all want to do is the way I'm spinning it, just like that. So basically you get your finger and do it just like that. Easy, simple. It's boom, just like that. And I can show y'all something else. Wow. See that? See y'all that?